Greetings from Albania. We today had a truthful workshop on the implementation of the Youth Guarantee in Albania, together with EUD, ATF and EU for Youth projects.
The Youth Guarantee was designed after the financial crisis in 2008 and started the implementation across the EU in 2013, and it is very good to see that the Balkan countries adopted the idea and started preparing and implementing the Youth Guarantee as well. The Youth Guarantee is one of the flagship initiatives that the EU has for the Western Balkans, and it is great to see that it is now being implemented and piloted throughout the Western Balkan countries.
We're here today gathered with social partners and CSOs and local institutions in Albania to try to learn from the experience of Slovenia and Estonia in implementing the Youth Guarantee.
And I'm National Youth Coordinator in Slovenia, and the message I want to give you is that Youth Guarantee is about needs, it's about young people, and this is a very broad and heterogeneous group. So bring to the table as many partners as you can to help you prepare and coordinate and implement the programs. Youth organizations are a very important partner in the process who can help you in all the phases, especially the outreach phase.
One of the most important aspects of the preparation, development and implementation of Youth Guarantee is the interinstitutional cooperation and cooperation with civil society, because that brings easier access to the young people, brings cooperation with businesses to place young people that need a job, that need internship, and it also helps the National Employment Service Agency to have better outreach to young people and to better target the young people and their needs.
So today the main topic was governance in the Youth Guarantee, but one element within governance came out for me as a very strong, important factor. Ownership of all the partners, and they're accepting the responsibility to achieving exactly the objectives that were agreed in the group in the co-creating and cooperative process that took place for the planning of different action, different services.
With the Youth Guarantee, we see a lot of new practices, new interaction between central government, local authorities, and on local level between the authorities and a range of different stakeholders, the local employment services, the civil society, the social partners. They create very often these hybrid or mixed forms of governance. This is very important, because we see new practices that become regular, they become acquired, and they change the way a public policy is managed. So the Youth Guarantee can be really innovative.
One key takeaway I will take from this workshop is that it's not about what the needs are not. It is mostly and mainly about what they are.
So I really call you to change the understandings, how we create the policies and the programs for the youth. So instead of the involvement and cooperation, more co-creation. I think that then the youngsters and the different cooperation partners take more responsibilities because they own this problem. So good luck with that.